everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Riffa. Still from our road trip to Oregon and Washington. In this video, we were going back to California from Oregon. And guys, you know what? We had such a beautiful view along the way. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. As we were reaching to California, we started to see the redwood trees along the way. It was so green, it was so magical, and it was so peaceful. After the border check, the first city that we entered was Crescent City. It is right at the border of California and Oregon. The weather was typical Northern California. It was overcast and it was raining and it was cloudy. You can see it's all gray in the sky. Hi guys, we're in the Redwood highways. We're back in California now. We just left the Crescent City and now we can see the Pacific Ocean again. Look at this.
We don't need you.
We're here at one of the Vista Point on the Redwood Highway. This is so beautiful. I'm sure when it is sunny, When it is a bright day, it's much more beautiful. So many hawks flying here. Oh, nice. Look at that. And some wildflowers here. Whoa, pretty. We stopped for the gas with this view and then we continued our trip again. And here is our view, all the redwoods. We turned into the Prairie Creek State Park to see elks because they often hang out in the meadow. After circling the meadow, we didn't see any elks. I think it was past of their hangout time. It was in the afternoon and I think they hang out only in the morning. So we decided to continue our trip. It was just not our day to see the elks. Oh yeah.
FD in action.
All that city, look at everything's dead. You see, this run out.
Gas station.
Gas? No, is it gas station? Yeah. Okay. And that's the red maples. This is the church. Oh, also yellow in shop.
See?
Yellow.
There's life. There's people living over there.
Yeah, yellow fire truck. Feels like Hawaii.
Somebody even got on fire.
Yeah, feels like Hawaii.
In the You have to get used to the weather after we move here. Look.
Orig Market. Oh, still open. Wow. Amazing.
Cafe.
Where's the cafe? Not here.
Right here.
Espresso. Oh my God, they still have espresso? Lato kayo sendiri ka ba natunjok? Oh my God, they have espresso here like Dutch Bros.
Yeah, we can open a Dutch Bros.
Where's the motel? It should be around here.
It's up on the left.
Yeah, this is the
There
school.
it is.
Yeah, hostel. Even the
That's
school
what I'm
is
gonna
there.
buy for your mom. That motel. And she can be the manager.
And the cafe here, Snack Shack. Look at ini job motelnya.
Whoa, it's way worse.
Oh my God, life in Orig. Oh, this is my favorite.
And we can
Oh my
open.
God, tanduknya, the horn. So
Oh.
big.
Where?
There, the cow.
The cow.
Yeah,
The cow.
It has
Like
horn.
this?
Yeah, so big. Like big.
Orig. Bye bye, Orig. There is the lagoon, freshwater lagoon. The next city we're entering was Arcata. Arcata is located in Humboldt County, and it has a university called State Humboldt University. And what they do best is agriculture. For your information, Humboldt County has a big plantations of marijuana.
With each sip from your lips, you're kissing me dizzy. I fight for composure, but what fun would that be? The punks and the peasants who dared to impress me, singing desperate daydreams so they could undress me. They vanish completely when I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow, forget me. Tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart? Show you all of the stars, all of the stars. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Hollywood's buzzing, our hearts are thumping. Yeah, yeah. And I know you want me, 'cause I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow, forget me. Tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart? Show you all of the stars, all of the stars. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Give you a million flowers, a million flowers. Show you my secret powers, my secret powers. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Tomorrow, forget me, but tonight, stay the night. Ooh, tomorrow, forget me. Ooh, tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart? Show you all of the stars, all of the stars. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore.
After checking in our hotel, we decided to have an early dinner Because we would like to have an early night, we were on the road for so many hours. We decided to go to Jack Seafood. We've been there before and we loved the food, and we just would like to walk around a little bit.
Econ eggs.
Hello.
There, they gave us 3 spoons.
I'll eat this.
What is ice?
This is my favorite. They're small, dude.
Okay, where's the sendok for this? I don't have any here.
So good. I love.
You can put honey.
So fresh. Fettuccine al vongole. Tacos. Tacos. We are in Eureka tonight, and we are at the marina. There's the fishing boat. I guess that's the crab. They are unloading the crab. There are a lot of them.